Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are in Illinois visiting Nana and Papa. Papa's really good at DIY and home improvement, so we thought it would be fun to make a video while we're here. He's gonna teach me how to do a dirty pour. We need to get this a little bit more level and pick some paint colors. We have the canvas leveled and nice and flat. We picked some paint colors and Papa is watering it down a little bit to get it, you want it to like drip a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
And what's the other colors you want?
Yellow, please. Beautiful. So this is straight pouring it.
Yeah. And then you can take one of these and you go like that, you know, and you'll just make lines in it.
That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna try the other way of turning it upside down.
Okay, you can. Okay.
We have all of our paints ready, and Papa was saying what takes the longest is mixing all the paints and picking what colors you want. We started with a pure white to have it flow easier. I'm trying a different method where I turn it upside down. So like this.
And then turn it back over, yeah.
All right, moment of truth.
Okay, now put it down, yeah. And just leave it there. Okay. And what's happening is all the paint is now falling down.
So do we give it like a few more seconds?
Yeah, a few more seconds.
All right, we're going to go with the pickup circle method. Uh-oh. Should I move it around?
You can move it around, yeah.
We need to let them dry now. The upside down cup method, it ended up mixing the colors a little bit more compared to the one Papa did first, where he just poured it on there. It has distinct borders and we could see separate colors a little bit better. We definitely need wall art in our house, so these will be going up. Thank you, Papa, for teaching me a new skill. Video number 170 done.